Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a file transfer application called Blip. It's a very versatile file sharing app. You can simply share file through your mobile phone to your desktop, your iOS to Mac and any other device. You can simply share your files in a very simple way. So how you can simply download it in your desktop, just simply click on any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Blip and click on enter. After that, if you click on the Blip first website and click on the free download. And then you have to give your email address over here. So I'm going to give my email address and click on the free download option. And now it will going to give you the different version to get installed. So I'm going to download it for Windows. So click on the download option and you can see it's downloaded. And now if you click on the file option, click on the install for the 2 times and simply minimize all the background tab and it's going to show you into the Microsoft Store. Also, you can download it from the Microsoft Store, but I personally recommend you to go through the website. It is going to help you to get which version you want to get it for. After complete the download, it will going to get automatically installed, so you don't need to be worried about. And you can simply see the Blip transfer is rightly showing in our computer device. And here you have to just set up it. If you want to know how to set up it, you can simply comment below. I can help you to how we can simply set up it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.